BrightLink 600 series interactive projectors are Epson's new 3LCD, WXGA, and WUXGA classroom projection solutions. Provide a quality learning experience by ensuring every student in the room can see and interact the displayed content. You can project up to a 100-inch screen so the content can be read from every area in the classroom. Projected images have no glare for a wider viewing angle from seats off to the side. You can use two projectors side by side to achieve an ultra-wide display that supports continuous interactivity. Learning can become a fun experience with a variety of engaging interactive content. BrightLink now includes Smart Learning Suite, so students can enjoy game-based interactive content with finger-touch operation. Most BrightLink models support simultaneous interactivity using both pen and finger touch. You can incorporate display of real objects into lessons with Epson's document cameras. Then, write over the projected image. Easily integrate with other classroom devices. Epson's free application software allows you to share projected content with all classroom devices. From teacher devices to content from student devices, a device can be selected regardless of the OS, even Chromebooks. Epson's ability to fit a variety of learning styles ensures a truly engaging and interactive learning experience. Epson, exceed your vision.